I know. You said as a state and federal employee, yeah, that you could know about, yes, false accusations of crime, right? And you didn't have to enforce the laws, right? You could know about the fraudulent issuance of protection orders, right? Where you said the petitioner didn't have to sign it. You could know about forgeries of ex officio superior court clerks, possibly forgeries of judges. See, you said as employees of the state and federal governments, right, that we have no obligation to enforce the laws. Now, I emailed you. I emailed the state legislature. I emailed the police departments. Yes, you did. Emailed the sheriffs. And everybody decided that we don't have an obligation to enforce the laws. Now, I told you that I didn't get notice of court hearings. Yeah. Child support worksheets. Yeah. Declaration of non-biological daughter. Yeah. Proposed parenting plan. I didn't get that. No. No. Mm-mm. I didn't get any notice of the settlement conference setting hearing. No. I didn't get notice of the hearing for the temporary parenting plan and temporary order for child support. In fact, the way that I'm kind of seeing it, yes, this confidential report and sealed envelope, yes, if it is what I've been reading and I'll look at it again, yeah, I don't think it could have been confidential. In fact, I'm almost sure of it. I don't think we can have confidential reports and sealed envelopes unless there's some sort of court order. Yes. Now you would say when you issued the protection order. Right. You issued a protection order in 2011 on July 8th. Yes. When I was in jail on Guam. And then you reissued it. Yeah. Brent Basden. Oh. And then you issued it for 1 year, Judge Ken Williams. Yes. Without me getting any notice or opportunity to be heard. Now, you would say that you could fill out confidential reports of assessments and evaluations, yes, because of your stipulation in number 9, yes, that required me to have a mental health evaluation and treatment if required. I would say that you did. Yeah. Mhm, mhm. I did read that when you served me on Guam. Yeah. I was in the jurisdiction of Guam at the time that you issued it. Oh, oh. And without the stipulation and order giving you any judicial authority over myself, yes, my wife, and my sons, yeah, this was fraudulent, and this was fraudulent. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there can't be any assessments or evaluations based upon the false accusation of family violence, child abuse, and assault. Yes. And when you don't have jurisdiction to issue a protection order, you didn't have jurisdiction to require any, yes, assessments, evaluations, or investigations. Now, while I was in the custody of the Superior Court in Guam, yes, supervised custody because I did meet with my probation officer. Yes, I'm absolutely sure if Guam was concerned about my mental health, they would have asked me to do one of these. Yeah, but they never did. Not one of these that you have. Yeah, I'm like 99% sure. Yes, that this was fraudulent. Now, I know I always leave a little room for error. Yes, but I will tell you right now, yes, without the jurisdiction to issue a protection order because of me being on probation and the jurisdiction of Guam, if somebody thought, yes, that I really had some sort of mental issues, yes, yes, the court would have taken it upon themselves to request. Yeah. Now, diversion didn't require any mental health evaluations other than the evaluation of what took place. Yes. And then when, no, I'm going to need $1 trillion for all the other employees that are concerned about your employment. You are going to be terminated for cause. Yes. For your refusal to obligate the enforcement. Yes. Of what are known as whistleblower laws. I'm going to fire you. Now, when we start to look at the different departments of the United